Let's tie the Larks Head Knot. This is where most of your macrame projects are going to begin. It's how you attach cords to a dowel rod or a piece of driftwood. You're going to fold your cords in half, and you're going to have the loop end, and you want your ends of your cord to be somewhat even. And you're going to pop the loop behind the dowel. You're going to bend it over to the front, and you're going to reach through that loop and grab the cords behind and pull them from the back to the front, and then pull down to tighten. And now you have a cord attached to your dowel rod. I'm going to show you how to do it the reverse way to create a somewhat different look. You still double your cord, and you're going to pop it up over the dowel, this time from the front to the back. And then you're going to grab those cords from the front and pulling them to the back through the loop and pulling gently to tighten. That's it.